Do you have everything you need to take care of your hot tub? It takes a lot more than just chemicals to keep your spa clean and running smoothly. So here are 8 hot tub supplies that every spa owner should own. Check it out. Number 1 is a hot tub vacuum. When things like sand and leaves get into your spa, it's time to break out the spa vacuum. A vacuum is really handy when there's debris in the water, but it doesn't warrant a deep clean. And vacuuming up debris helps keep your hot tub water balanced. Number 2 is bleach and vinegar. These household items are handy surface cleaners. A 10% bleach to water solution is great for wiping down your cover and protecting it against mold and mildew. And when you're cleaning your hot tub shell, jets, and scum line, diluted white vinegar works wonders. Just be sure to get into all the nooks and crannies where mildew, algae, or bacteria hide out. Number 3, floating sponges or tennis balls. Body oils, shampoo, and makeup can all build up in your water and create a nasty layer of hot tub scum. And you can stop these contaminants from accumulating by using floating sponges or tennis balls in your water. Just rinse them off each time you're about to use your spa. Number 4 is a quality hot tub cover with a cover lift. Water, chemicals, and heat all disappear from evaporation, and a good hot tub cover can prevent that from happening. It can also help speed up the process when you're heating up your hot tub water. Hot tub covers are also heavy, and they can get heavier over time as the core accumulates and holds water. And this is where a spa cover lifter can be super helpful and save you the effort of lifting the cover yourself. Number 5 is a hot tub leak sealant. Even if you take great care of your spa, you may still get a hot tub leak. And the key to keeping a small leak from turning into a big problem is to seal it up as soon as possible. So keep some hot tub leak sealant on hand for emergencies. Number 6, filler and sandpaper. If you notice cracks or scratches in your hot tub shell, you might be able to fill them and buff them out yourself. Shells are usually made of acrylic, vinyl, or roto-molded plastic, so you'll need to buy a filler that matches your spa. And be sure to use fine grit sandpaper when you buff it out. Remember, you want to smooth it out, not create a whole bunch of new scratches. Number 7 is test strips or a liquid test kit. So how do you keep your water balanced, prevent algae, and make sure there's enough sanitizer in your water? You've got to test your hot tub water at least once a week. And you can either use test strips, which are quick and easy, or if you want more accuracy, you can use a liquid test kit. Number 8 is filter cleaner. Sometimes all your spa filters really need is a good hosing off. But once a month, it's worth cleaning your hot tub filters with a special filter cleaner. You'll also want to soak your filter in the filter soaking solution every 3 to 4 months. But if your filter won't get clean no matter what you do, it's time to replace it. Having the right supplies on hand is just one key to good hot tub maintenance. So be sure to check out our hot tub handbook and video course. You'll get in-depth video lessons plus a step-by-step downloadable guide covering everything that you need to know about hot tub maintenance. It's packed with money-saving tips so you can save money and time keeping your hot tub clean. That's swimuniversity.com/spa and use the promo code VIDEO. If you missed anything or have any questions, please leave a comment to let us know. Hit the like button below if you found this video helpful. And if you want to learn more about hot tub maintenance and troubleshooting, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. That's it. Thanks again and happy soaking.